thousands of movies, thousands of TV shows, hundreds of live streaming TV channels, all on your Fire TV stick, on your smartphone, or on your computer. Guys, check out this new app available. Right now we have it on the Fire TV stick. It's available anywhere. It is free. There is no sign up. There is no nothing. You just download the app and away you go. Is this the start of the end of paid streaming services? It might be. If you like what we have here, it's a new app called Zumo TV. If you're looking for movies, TV shows, you can click on the movies, and here we have a bunch of different movies, most popular. Now mind you, these are not fresh out of the theater movies. Zumo, it's 100% legal. It is 100% free. I don't even think there's commercials, except for like the live TV stuff. But mind you, you're not going to get the top-notch movies and TV shows like you normally would. But if there's some movies, TV shows that you want to watch, some retro stuff, even on demand, so you can go back to certain TV shows, or sorry, certain TV channels and review them. You can go right ahead and do that. Stay tuned, let's install this. Okay guys, hit your little home button. First things first, we're going to download IPVanish. So just go over to the little search function, click it in, type in IPVanish. I already own it, it's already running, so just click on it, download it, install it, use the link below to get you a discount, and then run it. So we're already connected to the States here. I am in Canada, so this is for demonstration purposes only. Use the description below, get a link. It is an affiliate one, helps out the channel. Turn that on, go back to the search, find option. Now turn on downloader. Downloader is going to be the application that allows us to download, sideload Zumo TV. Yes, I did just delete these, but this just makes it super easy for everyone to follow. Push pause if I'm going too fast. So click on downloader, install it. Super quick application for you. We can hit open. Now this is going to do, sorry, don't click open yet. Go back to the home screen. So we're going to go to the home screen. Go to the little gear, cogwheel, settings button, and then go to My Fire TV. Under My Fire TV, it's going to be About, and then I have developer options. If you do not, just go back up to About, click on About, and on where it says Fire TV Stick, click your settings, click your select button 7 times or 8, and mine already says no need. I'm already a developer. This will put you in developer mode under the Fire Stick. Click on developer mode, install unknown apps. So this allows us to turn on setting and enables you to install apps from unknown sources. Under downloader, click it on, and we're good to go. So we can go back to the home. Push the home button on your remote. go down, find downloader. It's going to want access to our phone, media, well, photos, media, and files on our device. Yes, allow, because it's going to download the app onto the Fire Stick. So under this URL here, we have a little quick link, 546 835. Now this is a direct link to my website, Led by the Unknown, and where we'll be able to find Zumo and a bunch of other great applications for us to download our Fire Stick. Now it's going to take a few minutes, so guys, remember, push the little like button. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. Give me a comment below if you don't. Tell me what I need to do better. Please, helps out. So, Led by the Unknown, here's the website. While we're here, hold the select button for a few seconds and just go add to current page for favorite of 2 favorites and call it whatever you want. Push save. Now, as you can tell on the far left there of your screen, there's the favorite, so this will be automatically there and we don't have to wait for that 5-second buffer. So underneath, now this is right at the top of the screen right now, but it will go away soon. So you can either scroll down to click on it, or let me move my or take the little cursor to the 3 lines and we can go down to downloads, and here's our download screen. So on the download screen is where you can find how to download the Ultimate App Store. That's going to be the next video out, guys, soon. If you haven't already, get out your phone, because this is on your TV now, right? Find your phone, open up the camera, take a picture of this QR code, and it'll give you a direct link to IPVanish for you, so you can get the discount on the IP or VPN in order to watch all these great videos and movies and TV shows. So we also have other app stores, and if you want, you can check out my videos also on Rumble. This sounds like I'm trying to sell you guys, so I went too far there. So you can see we have Pluto TV, another great free, fully legal streaming service for live TV. And so we have Zumo, so we can click on it. It's going to go to the Zumo TV page. We can click down. Now this will work for your Amazon device or any other Android device. So the Android device ones are regular phone layouts. So they're kind of tall and skinny. They will rotate, but the Amazon TV doesn't have a rotate feature, so download the Amazon device feature. So to connect, automatically download 3 megs, tiny little program. So give it a moment here. It's going to ask for us to install it. So down on the bottom on the right, push install. Once it's installed, don't open it yet. You're going to want to push, instead of pushing open, push done, because it'll kick us back into downloader and we can delete this APK file. We don't need it anymore because now it's on the stick. Now we can push home. Now for those of you who are not too sure how the Fire Stick works, if we go over to the little 4 squares and the plus sign, it goes to our apps installed currently on our device. So as you can see, we have Prime, Crave, you may have something like Hulu or something, but we just downloaded Downloader, Zumo, and IPVanish. So if we click on the 3 little the little hamburger button, the 3 lines. Down on the right here it says move to front, hide your app, so we can move to the front, and as you can tell now it puts it to the front. Now we can go back to IP Vanish if we wanted, move to front, put it to the front. Downloader, oh yeah, let's just move it so we can kind of go like, let's squeeze it in here in front of side prime. Okay, now when we go back home, our main line menu there is now IP Vanish, Zumo, and Prime. Now we open up Zumo. Now this is where, whether you're on a VPN or not, it may or may not let you run it. And there we go. So Dateline, what's that, NBC, Hallmark, ABC, UFC, game shows, CBS, hundreds of movies, hundreds and thousands, I should say, sorry, of TV shows and movies. Hundreds, hundreds of channels, all free, all available on your Fire TV stick.
DNA matching Steven on the hood latch.
And that's it, guys. Enjoy streaming, enjoy watching. Again, click the like button, please, it helps out. Enjoy your evening. Peace. Take it easy. Welcome to the section of, wow. I'm sorry guys if I can't talk very well today. Apparently I have a problem. I don't know what it is. It's 11:30 at night. Maybe I'm tired. I don't know. Anyways, this is the section of the show that doesn't belong here. That's not here. This is the section of the show that, like Fight Club, we don't, number one rule about Fight Club, we don't talk about Fight Club. I don't really have anything to vent about or rant about or anything. I get people are probably starting to feel the effects of this possible recession we're in. If you are, feel sorry for you. If you're not, help someone out, man. I'm trying to put these videos out here so that I can help people find different ways to maybe save $100 a month or something. With the prices of streaming services or your internet service provider or your cable bill or your satellite bill, they're going through the roof just as much as the eggs are in your milk and beef and all that stuff. So if I can help out in a way somewhere where people can save a couple bucks so they can afford the eggs, you're welcome. Thank you, I guess. I don't know, whatever way that works. Anyways, that's about it. Take it easy. Peace.